just received an order of a collection of new seeds of hardy annuals, and they are from Hegel the Garden. So I just wanted to quickly show you what I got. For starters, let me just quickly show you. So apologies if the video will be a little bit shaky, but I'm just doing this with one hand. So it's an envelope, and Ben from Hegel the Garden also sent some nice postcards, so thank you. And these are the seeds. So this is a collection of hardy annual seeds from Georgie from Common Farm Flowers. She's got a YouTube channel. She's been a flower farmer for about 12 years now. So she already knows what she's talking about. And these are her hardy annuals that are, tried and tested over the years, and what she recommends. So I found this online on the Hegel the Garden website. I heard her first talking about it on her YouTube channel, which you guys, if you are into flowers, flower farming, anything like that, or just like looking at beautiful plants and flowers and her creative processes, check her out. Definitely learning a lot from her. And she's such a fun character as well, so it's a lot of fun. So these are the seeds. So obviously this bundle is under her name, or Common Farm Flowers bundle, Hardy Annuals bundle or something. And so there are, I think it's 12 different seeds. So there is Nigella, Delft Blue, which obviously it's a beautiful annual, and it's called Love in a Mist as well. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is kind of, it's not so dark, the blue color, it's quite light. So Nigella Delft Blue. Sorry about this. This is Biggie's job already. He's been trying to get into these seeds. Escholzia, Ivory Castle, another beautiful flower. And you guys look these up because they are well worth it. I'm not gonna edit this video because it takes a long time. So you look them up. I'm not gonna edit for pictures. Most of you probably will know those plants anyways. Sweet pea, Charlie's Angels. I do have my own sweet peas that I save every year, and then every now and then I'll get kind of another color. I love sweet peas. They smell amazing, and they are relatively easy to grow as well. Such a reliable annual. Mages, which is a lovely umbilical plant. It's a lovely filler in the bouquets, and just beautiful tall plant. It looks amazing in borders as well. So if you are just thinking about adding it into your garden, do that because it's well worth it. And it just adds kind of a lovely feathery light texture to bunches of flowers. Mages there. What else do we have? Scabiosa, ping pong. I do have pink and purple scabiosa already. Love them. They are so reliable, so hardworking plants with almost no maintenance other than deadheading. That's as well if you just want to prolong their flowering. But this is kind of a new variety. It's white, and I really want to have it for drying flowers because their seed heads are just beautiful. They look like balls, kind of like what's the sport called? Not cricket. The ones that you play on the green. Anyways, I can't think of the name, sorry. Literally like that ball with little multiple dents all over. Beautiful. Sorry, really excuse my senior moment there. Larkspur hyacinth mix, another very well-known cut flower, very tall and spiky, and this is a mixture of different colors. Then we have Serenti, which I always wanted to grow, but it definitely makes sense for cutting garden, for flower farming. It's a beautiful filler. It's kind of green with this kind of arching tip or top of the plant, however you want to call it, that is a kind of dark purple. It's so beautiful and it's so good for wildlife. The bees love it. So that's Serenti. Gypsophila, obviously most of you will know this plant. I think this is actually Gypsophila Covent Garden, if I remember correctly. And it is a slightly different version of the Gypsophila that you know, probably from like bridals bouquets. I think it's also called baby's breath as an English common name, if I'm not mistaken. So I can't wait to grow this. Beautiful in bouquets. Candy tuft crown, very kind of similar flower to Scabiosa. Again, very well known cut flower. Calendula Ice Maiden. I think everyone knows Calendula. You mostly probably know it in their kind of orangey versions. I don't mind the orange. I love bright, vibrant colors. But this is one that I have not grown before, Ice Maiden, and it's kind of yellowish, kind of more icy, cool color. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that one will grow. So that's those ones from the bundle. And then I also ordered 2 extra ones. Painted sage. This is a salvia, which is more like a filler. It does look like a flower that is on the top of the spike, but it's actually leaves. And this is a mixture of purple, pink, and white. Beautiful. Again, look it up. It's well worth it. And it's gonna be exciting to see this growing because, as I said, I love looking at the plants up close, and these have like lovely little veins in the leaves. So can't wait for this one. And then I also got night scented stock. I love stock. I love the perfume of this, and this one is kind of different looking. The flowers are kind of more sparse, less kind of showy, not as frilly as you usually know stock, and the color is dark pink, purple, so one that I haven't seen before, but I definitely will grow other varieties of stock as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm definitely ordering more seed, and I might take you through the ones that I have saved as well. So this is just from about 14 different seeds from Higgledy Garden, as I said. So yeah, look them up and order from Ben from Higgledy Garden if you like the selection. Also, I'd be really grateful if you kindly subscribe to my channel, also like the video if you like it, and you can now also buy me a coffee. So if you find my videos nice and you find some value and knowledge in it, or if you just want to help me out on my journey, buy me a coffee. Everything is down in the description, so you can find the link to pay a little bit towards my kind of fund for seeds or my flower farming, my gardening life there. So thank you very much in advance. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day and see you soon. Bye bye.